So, believe it or not, it's April and we've just walked to the pub for a drink in the sun and it's nice and warm. And now it's torrential snowstorm. There's my friend Andreas. Hello. And literally, it's a winter wonderland. There was absolutely no snow. Sometimes I feel like a roaming weather reporter. There was no snow or even ice or anything, and it was sunny and it was windy but not exactly cold. And now it's torrential snowstorm in April. Is this normal in Sweden?
Oh yeah. Typiskt aprilväder.
Typiskt aprilväder. Typical April weather. Absolutely crazy. Anyway, we're off to shelter in the house with a cup of coffee. And yeah. Ha en bra dag. Hej då!
Hejdå!
Hej då!